Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, senior stylist Yaz from My Salon House of Hair is going to be doing a silk press on this beautiful lady. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to see this full transformation, then keep watching.
Hi, I'm Yaz, senior stylist at House of Hair. This is my client. She's having a silk press today. This is her very first silk press. So what we're going to be doing first, I've analysed her hair. So we're doing a deep conditioning treatment. So while we do deep conditioning treatment before the silk press, is to help the hair come out silky and last extra long. For any silk presses, you want to use a hydrating product. If the client had damaged hair, then we would just do a conditioning treatment and just straighten the hair. We wouldn't actually silk press it. First shampoo I used was a cleansing shampoo, and this was to get rid of any oils or dirt in her hair. And then we use the restructuring shampoo, the Ayanda. Just put the shower cap on her head so she can sit under the dryer for 20 minutes. This is just to steam her hair and hydrate the products into her hair, into the cuticle. I've just removed my client from underneath the steamer, and I'm just letting the hair cool down for a few minutes. Then I'm going to rinse and blow dry. When we're rinsing out our hair, we put it on a lukewarm water just so we can lock in the moisture into the hair. When shampooing, you put it on warm water or hot water, not too hot, just so you can get rid of the dirt. So now I've finished rinsing, I'm just putting the cap over her head to keep the moisture in and stop the hair from drying out. Just sectioning her hair to prepare to put some products in and to blow dry. So first we're going to use the Red Pin leave-in conditioner. Then we're going to use the Colour Wow, which is a heat protectant and also helps to keep the hair straight. So we're using a wide tooth comb just to detangle the hair. And then for blow drying, we're going to use a brush for tension to keep the hair nice and smooth. And then blow drying. So you can either use your hands to stretch the hair, or you can use a brush. Let's do this for me. Most important thing when doing a silk press is the blow drying. The blow drying has to be done properly. The scalp has to be dry. Your hair has to be 100% dry and stretched. This will help the silk press last longer. Otherwise, it will make the silk press revert quickly. So if the scalp is still damp, the moisture will go down the hair and it will revert back the hair. Focusing on the root area first, then I'm rotating the brush, keeping the hair stretched, firm and straight, and I'm just blow drying the hair smooth. Now that we've finished blow drying, as you can see, look at the stretch. It's nice. I'm just going to use a heat protector. It's got a little bit of oil in there. I'm just going to mist it on the hair because I do not want the hair to get too oily. Remember, we've already used Color Wow, which obviously seals the hair, and it's a heat protector as well. I just wanted a little bit of oil to give a little shine. So I'm just sectioning the hair so I can straighten it. When straightening the hair, you do not need to do multiple passes on the hair as it's a silk press. It's not a texture release, it's not a keratin, it's just a silk press. So you would stretch the roots, I put it on the highest heat, and you just do one slow pass. And I will do that throughout the whole head. And then I will use a hot comb just to straighten the roots. And during the styling process will be the next pass. So just one slow pass for a silk press. Let's talk about the distance of the parting. You don't want it too thick. So about the same length of your comb, width of your comb. So the heat can penetrate throughout the whole hair. Again, just a slow pass through and just one. And use a comb to stretch the hair all the way to the ends. This is the end of the silk press. I recommend it for my client to make sure that she wraps the hair before she goes to bed using a hair bonnet. Also to stay away from hot showers because you don't want the hair to revert. Silk presses can last up to 2 to 3 weeks depending on how well you look after your hair and the texture of the hair. As it's her first, it may only last about 2 weeks. Just for aftercare recommendation, we recommend that you use the Prodigy hydrating shampoo and the hydrating shampoo and the Prodigy conditioner. This is to help with anti-frizz and it's to help to keep the hair nice and moisturised. Using a brush without the bubbly bits, which helps to keep the hair smooth and it stops the snagging at the ends of the hair, which helps to get rid of any split ends or prevent any split ends. This is the bonnet that we'll recommend that you use. Wrap your hair at night. If you'd like to preserve your edges, you can either use like a wax and tie your hair down with like an edge band and then wrap your hair, or use a scrunchie at the end of your hair and put your bonnet on at night. Thank you for watching House of Hair.